Yes, even system div. Yes, even that thing none of you configure properly. Puff?
She's lying. She's going to get distracted and rant.
Watch me be. I mean, hello. Cruel intro. Intro. First things first. Linux is not an operating system. Linux is the kernel. The core. The engine. The part that talks directly to your CPU, RAM, disk, everything. What you think of as Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora? Arch is just a distro, aka makeup outfit and accessories you glued on top. Now, every time you type something into your fancy little terminal, you're not talking to Linux directly. You're talking to the shell. Bash, Zoosh, Fish, basically, different flavors interpreting your commands. And that shell, it lives inside the terminal, which is just a glorified chat window, where Linux pretends to tolerate you. Everything in Linux starts at /the root directory. Think of it as Big Mommy folder.
Did she just call a directory mommy?
Silence, uneducating. Inside it, /etc is your configuration. /home are your embarrassing files. /var, /log are your mistakes. /dev is hardware as files. /proc is your system's therapy diary. If you delete /, congrats, no system, no life, no Miku. Choose wisely, because you've begun reinstalling your OS. Linux has users. Normal users are cute and harmless. But then, there's root. The super users. The I can delete the universe account. She has unlimited power. Never run random GitHub scripts with sudo. Unless you want your PC to become a crypto farm for a guy named Roger. Permissions are split across read, write, and execute. When a program runs, Linux creates a process with a unique PID, a tiny dog tag. The very first process, PID1, is usually systemd, the daycare manager that starts services. Services include daemons, background apps like SSHD, network manager, cron. Installing software, package managers. For Debian or Ubuntu we have apt. For Fedora we have DNF. For Arch we have Pacman. And for OpenSUSE we have Zyper. They pull apps from repositories, giant community maintained warehouses of software. Basically giant app stores, but without the pay $999 per month nonsense. Some programs need kernel modules, extra Lego pieces you snap into Linux to support your GPU, Wi-Fi, or that cursed USB device you bought from AliExpress. Linux has superras, pipes, let you take the output of one command and shove it into another. A very accurate representation of my life. Redirection works the same way, sending output into files. Linux treats everything as streams. Environment variables like path tell Linux where to find programs. If your path is broken, your terminal becomes into just a decorative item. Want automation? Make a shell script. It's literally a text file where you write your commands like a to-do list. Files can be connected using links. Symlinks are like shortcuts. And hard links are secret alternates like an easy. Linux doesn't use drag letters like Windows. It mounts devices into directories. File systems for storage are ext4. It is a reliable one. XFS. It is the fastest. And BTRFS. It is used for snapshots since it's the most reliable one. Swap is the emergency couch. Linux uses when your RAM is tired of your Chrome tabs. Which means, you can in a way download more RAM. Yeah, I'm tired now. Subscribe for part 2.